As we discovered, there are many various features with Google Forms, but one I do want to show you. Let's go down here, and we are this time going to add a new file upload. Now what this does is lets respondents upload files to Drive. So files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign into Google, and the file upload questions are added to the form. So let's press continue. So what you can think of this is like a Moodle assignment. Okay. And let's put the answer key in. Now the assignment, I'm going to say, is going to be worth about 10 points. I'm not going to put the answer feedback in. I'm just going to go back to edit question. Now the users will be able to upload a file.